Ooh, Ferrari. Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute since I did some motorcycle vids. Taking advantage of all the dry weather we're having. It's about to rain again soon for us. Sucks. So anyway, as you can see, I've been dealing with, you know, getting the car registered and, you know, delivered and all that. So as of today, all those things are done. I'm about to get my car registered and wait for my California plate. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my license plate right now. It's got to be registered soon. The bank's gonna handle it. I hate doing that stuff when you're buying a new car. I hate doing registration and DMV stuff, especially for an out-of-state vehicle. You have to get it, the VIN verification done. You have to bring it to the DMV. Everyone's looking at you. You have an exotic car on the lot, and DMVs are never really friendly to sports cars. Some of their ramps are like, I mean, the ramp going into the parking lot is never nice. It's always very steep, so it's just really awkward. The whole, like when I had my Porsche there, everyone's looking at me, and now especially this car, it's just too much attention. But that's what you get for choosing a car like this. I bought a motorcycle from Hawaii before, so I did the same thing on a motorcycle. Just kind of interesting. I had to bring the motorcycle in there. They're gonna go and inspect it. It was most all vehicles are 49 or 50 state legal anyway, so I don't know why they have to do that. But I guess you know, just because they have to do it, just because you pay $50 to get it done. Anyway, I'm on the Super Duke today. That was a very long intro. Sorry about that. I'm just riding around enjoying this hot weather. It's kind of windy, but it's very hot right now. Actually, I'm wearing my cheap summer gloves. So I was gonna talk about, I'm due for a service. As you can see, there's a light right there on my dash. I'm due for service on this bike. The place, I'm not sure why Scuderia, the dealership that I bought this bike from, why they charge so much in terms of service, or bikes in general. They're actually very expensive in terms of if you're buying a bike or getting your bike serviced. I'm not sure, maybe because of San Francisco pricing, but there's other places in San Francisco that don't charge their customers like this. So for example, I called for a first service for this bike. I called to get a schedule, and they told me it's $521 to get the first service done. I was like, oh, are you ridiculous? That's ridiculous. So I called again, a couple other places, maybe the Ace Motorsports for one, in the East Bay, across the bridge for me, and they're only charging $350, which is kind of which sounds a little bit more realistic, because the S1000 was around $300 too to get the first service done. And so yeah, I mean, I accept the $350, I guess, because they have to check some things, and I want to get the first service done at the dealership, because I want that record there that I did the first service at the dealership in case there's a warranty claim, a warranty repair that I have to do, that I did every milestone service at the dealership, you know. So that's you know, I'm paying for the peace of mind. I'm paying for insurance, so that's basically why I have to pay that price. I gotta go mail my registration documents. I'm gonna hit up the FedEx store, and then that's it for my errands for today. You're pretty much halfway. Yeah, you're pretty much right there already. What the fuck? I mean, the car was nice and all, but riding a motorcycle is still something else. It's still much better than driving. Yeah, driving it was fun. It's nice. The car is nice. It sounds really nice, and it drives really well, but it's just, there's nothing else like riding a motorcycle, you know. Like, as soon as I got back on the motorcycle, it's just much more fun. Oh, I didn't know she was talking to me. That's it. Even if I get my dream car, I still find myself riding my motorcycle most of the time. This bike is just so much fun. Sounds amazing too. Actually, the car, the Ferrari actually sounds really good already without an exhaust. Imagine, I mean, I already know, I mean, if you put an exhaust on it, but the California is very strict on cars when it comes to cars that you modify the exhaust and stuff. I don't want to deal with it. I used to be in the car scene, and I don't like dealing with like smog and shit like that. But for motorcycles, you can go all out, and you know, you can still get your bike registered, no problem. It's just the smog laws on cars is very annoying in California, so I don't want to deal with it. So my car basically is stock. I think how many miles do I have now? 644. The service warning will show up at around 620, so I'm over about 20 miles. I'm about to go there on the weekend, so it's fine. I'll just ride it till then. I missed a lot of opportunities to ride with a couple Super Duke buddies. One local guy, Kishardio. I met him at one of the events, so he's a local, and I've been so busy I never get to ride with him, because I used to I actually want to go take some pictures of his wheelies, but you know, I never get a chance. But now I think I should be good. I should be free to plan some rides now. I think I'm in a good, I think I'm good schedule wise. I'm free now, so hopefully we can make it happen. Yeah, he did some mods on his bike and it looks really sick now, so I need to update my pictures of his bike, so I need to schedule a time with him. Blabbing around. Should explore some more. Look at the dog. Doggy. Yeah, so once I get the service done, should lift the there's like a rev limiter, not rev limiter, like a my red line whatever indicator. I can't change it unless I get the service done, so because it says you can't change it unless you do the 600-mile service. It's kind of funny because it's redlining at like 5,000 or something like that. Oh. Is it gonna run me over or what? That car was about to run me over. Alright, YouTube, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.